Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are learning how to find the value of y given the figure, and in this case we are going to use Cosine to solve this problem. Let's use Cosine. Cosine says if you have a square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc. Since you are looking for a cos alpha, this is how we are going to solve this question by cosine. Okay, now since in the question given they asked to find the value of y, okay, the value of y here will be, we can say we have y square is equals to 12 centimeters square plus 5 centimeters square minus 12 times 5 times cos the alpha given, that's the angle, is 84 degree. Now we can find the 12 square. 12 square is equals to 114. 12 square, that is 114 plus 25, that is, if you add you get 169. 169 centimeter minus 12 times 5, this will be minus 120 times cos 84. What is cos 84? If you press cos 84, you get minus 0.6800. And remember, we can continue here. Y square is equals to 169. Here minus times minus, here will be plus 120 times 0.6800. If you multiply this, you will get the value of y square is equals to, then we have to follow the rule of BODMAS, multiplication before addition. That is, if you multiply 120 times 0.68, you will get 169 plus, that is, you will get 81.6. Now we can add y square is equals to 169 plus 81.6, you will get 250.6. That is, if you reach this stage, you can take the square root of both sides, where you have y square, the square root of y, into the square root of 250.6, where you have y square, that is, square cancel the square roots, y is equals to the square root of 250.6, that is equals to 100, that is equals to 15.830. Thus the value of y is 15.830, that is centimeter, since we are looking for the side y. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.